6 steps to launch an inbound marketing campaign.
So, what exactly is inbound marketing?
Unlike other more invasive advertising methods, inbound marketing is based on attracting our ideal customer and accompany them all the way from the first time they hear about us until they become our loyal fans. Inbound campaigns can be quite complex since they require a whole process that goes from content creation to the attraction, generation, and retention of leads. This is why it's very important to have a clear path that will help us plan and execute a successful campaign. Now it's time to get our campaigns started. Step 1. Setting goals and objectives. Take into consideration both the specific objectives of your campaigns and the business goals of the organization. Make sure your goals are SMART. That means specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. Step 2. Identify your audience. Define who is your target audience in the clearest way possible. Consider including things like demographics, behavior, motivation, and even challenges.
Step 3. Let's start creating some content.
Work in different formats like blogs, video, or ebooks. This is the perfect time to create valuable content aimed at prospects at each stage of the buyer's journey. Step 4. Prepare your distribution plan. Emails, blogs, social media, pay-per-click, you have plenty to choose from, so find the most effective channels that can help you reach your audience. Step 5. Launching your campaign. Once your campaign is underway, we should not let everything run on its own. Monitor constantly and optimize if needed. And finally, Step 6. Analyze the results.
We must always rely on the data. Gather all the results and insights and evaluate your performance. This information will be very helpful when you're ready to launch your next successful campaign. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to visit my website to learn more about all things marketing.